Hello everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cardano ADA is a coin on the rise. It breached the $2 mark recently and has been holding steady since, with a current price of around $2.73. Many crypto investors are backing the crypto coin to achieve big things. And why should it not? CoinMarketCap has ranked the coin at number 4, with expectations that it can capture a bigger market share. There's more good news with a potential partnership with Walmart on the horizon. Could this really happen? Today we're going to be talking about how one of the biggest companies in the world, Walmart, could strike a partnership with one of the hottest coins on the market, Cardano. Stick around until the end of the video as we cover all the aspects of the potential partnership in detail and tell you why investors are bullish about ADA. Before you start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any updates in the world of investing. Walmart has become the byword for supermarkets, especially in America. Founded in the flower power year of 1962, the supermarket chain today boasts 10,524 stores and clubs in 24 countries, operating under 48 different names. They have open stores in Canada, South America, Europe, and Asia. If that doesn't sound impressive, check this out. Walmart is the world's largest company by revenue with $548.743 billion, according to the Fortune Global 500 list in 2020. It is also the largest private employer in the world with 2.2 million employees. What is interesting to note is that Walmart remains one of the biggest grocery retailers in the US. Nearly 65% of its revenue is generated from America itself. With crypto culture taking off in the US, Walmart made an announcement that caught the attention of investors and crypto enthusiasts. The company is hiring a cryptocurrency expert to potentially expand its virtual payment options. Could Cardano ADA become one of the payment options? The supermarket chain is looking for a visionary leader with at least 10 years of product management or technology experience to develop its blockchain strategy. The preference is for someone possessing significant functional knowledge of the cryptocurrency ecosystem and an entrepreneurial mindset, according to the job posting reported by Bloomberg. The position will be based in Walmart's Bentonville, Arkansas headquarters, and will be responsible for developing the retailer's digital currency strategy and product roadmap, as well as identifying crypto-related investment and partnerships, according to the job posting on Walmart's website. It is important to state that Walmart doesn't accept crypto payments yet, but has used blockchain technology in another form. A few years ago, the retailer announced that it would work with IBM to use blockchain to track its food supply chain. The system can track the origins of food that's on sale. In the event of a problem, it can quickly trace the source and, at least in theory, protect consumers faster. In 2019, Walmart applied for a patent for its own stablecoin, and stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that peg their value in a traditional commodity such as the US dollar. When a company like Walmart enters the crypto realm, it makes a statement that the retailer wants to be the first mover in the space and take advantage of any strategic availability and advantage that could be there. This is where Cardano ADA makes its grand entrance. ADA represents the next curve in crypto technology. The crypto coin is one of the first in a new third generation of blockchains that could support all manner of projects. Right from DeFi to NFT creation, ADA offers developers an environment to build more or less whatever the heck they want. The crypto coin also has several advantages over its peers like Bitcoin. For instance, an advanced 2-layer architecture, which allows for better scalability. Now, Walmart is the biggest company in the world based on revenue, and one of the largest retailers in the world. Scalability could be a feature that the company is looking for in a crypto coin. Speed could also be the second feature. Cardano ADA is said to be capable of processing some 257 transactions per second. If you compare this to peers like Ethereum, the number of transactions is limited to 5 or fewer. The difference is like night and day. Cardano will be one of the fastest networks on the scene and capable of supporting far more projects and complex processes than any other top-tier coin. If Walmart does strike a partnership with ADA, customers will be able to pay for their purchases without a hitch or a glitch. There is no denying the fact that ADA is an upgrade. Walmart may just be looking for an upgrade when it comes to their digital payment options, and this all comes at a time when the crypto coin is taking the next step forward. Case in point is the Occam.fi ecosystem. This ecosystem is a Cardano customized suite of DeFi solutions, which is designed to deliver top-of-the-line DEX tools, decentralized launchpad capabilities, liquidity pools, and swap capabilities for native Cardano tokens. The launch of the Cardano ADA fork is also imminent. Cardano has begun onboarding users to its Alonzo Purple testnet, making the third and final stage of its Alonzo Upgrades, following the rollout of the Blue and White upgrades. While Alonzo White had limited support for a closed group of 500 users to run smart contracts, Alonzo Purple will be the first fully public mainnet to facilitate decentralized finance. And because smart contracts are a huge bet for decentralized applications, well, this means that Cardano smart contracts will launch once the Alonzo update is up. The estimated date, September. The question now is, why would Walmart be interested in something like smart contracts? DeFi services have built an entire financial infrastructure on top of the blockchain. This service uses smart contracts, which are automated blockchain contracts, to create protocols, and the protocols are replacing existing financial services in ways that are transparent and interoperable. This is good news for customers of retailers like Walmart. The speed and simplicity of the payment processes offers a practical alternative to standard payment methods. It's transforming into friction-free banking, and it is easier to borrow in seconds. If someone has $200 in Ether or Bitcoin and they want to sell, and they want to borrow $100 at 2.3%, the entire process takes 15 seconds. The incredible speed and simplicity could disrupt the entire banking industry. Smart contracts are being compared to the building blocks of the internet, HTML and JavaScript. A lot of business can be done with the basic blocks, and more business is something that Walmart will surely be interested in. What will also attract Walmart towards ADA is the Cardano community. It remains one of the safest crypto communities because of its open source developmental pattern. The creation of ADA was aided by contributions from crypto technology experts in engineering and other academic fields. In its development, peer review ensures no drastic changes are made. Instead, all stages are thoroughly reviewed. Consequently, all potential security problems are tackled properly, hence making the crypto coin safe and secure. Cardano ADA remains the only blockchain that is peer-reviewed. The creation of new, natively supported tokens will actually allow for the tokenization of many digital and physical assets. This transforms ADA into a multi-asset network. With the use of smart contracts, Walmart may be able to reach new highs with the altcoin. What should draw the retailer towards Cardano is its technology, and that sets the coin apart from the rest, especially ADA's efficient energy mining process. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano ADA, recently revealed that the coin's annual carbon footprint is just 6 gigawatt-hours. The transactions conducted on the ADA platform are done through a series of energy-efficient mechanisms. Rather than utilize massive amounts of code, ADA's proof-of-stake consensus process requires only a single consumer to verify blocks, and this brings down the energy demand tremendously. ADA has claimed that its proof-of-stake consensus is 1.6 million times more efficient than any other crypto coin, like Bitcoin. Charles Hoskinson too has added that ADA is 4 million times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. The reason being that Cardano's platform was designed with the aim to provide security similar to other POW blockchains, but with significantly lesser energy demands. The eco-friendly aspect of ADA is something that will surely appeal to Walmart, especially considering the company's global presence. If the retailer does strike a partnership with Cardano, it could signal their intent towards making a positive change. Since Cardano ADA entered the crypto market, the altcoin has been on a steady path to progress. A growing user base is one of the reasons why ADA's value has been growing. Many users consider it a solution to the challenges that both Bitcoin and Ethereum seem to be facing. A company like Walmart is looking to step out of its brick-and-mortar image into the new digital age. They've already taken the first step by looking to hire a crypto expert. The advantages that Cardano ADA provides, especially with its low transactional fees, super speed and minimal carbon footprint, and its scalability, could make the coin a valuable partner to a global brand like Walmart. Is a partnership between the two possible? Only time will tell, but what we can say for sure is that it would make a lot of sense if they did. Hope you enjoyed watching our latest video, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!